Welcome back to Moto Market Explorer. Today we're checking out 15 classic motorcycles for sale across the United States. Number 1. 1976 Harley-Davidson Shovelhead, $6,250, Collinsville, Oklahoma. First up is a 1976 Harley-Davidson Shovelhead project finished in silver. The Shovelhead engine is one of the most iconic Harley-Davidson power plants, known for its classic V-twin design and unmistakable sound. This particular bike is titled as a 1976 Harley-Davidson and has been inspected by the California Highway Patrol, receiving a blue tag VIN number. The motorcycle is described as a project bike but comes with a rebuilt 74 cubic inch shovel head and a ratchet-top transmission. The engine has new barrels with standard bore along with high-quality components including Weisco pistons, Andrews gears, and an S&S oil pump. The frame has also been modified slightly with about 1.5 inches added to the front legs. Number 2. 1984 Honda CB650F, $2,900, Euless, Texas. Next is a 1984 Honda CB650F, finished in black with a clean title in hand. The CB650F represents Honda's classic inline-4 engineering from the 1980s, offering smooth power delivery, reliable performance, and the timeless styling that many vintage Japanese motorcycles are known for. According to the seller, the motorcycle runs and rides great and is in excellent overall condition. The chrome components are well preserved, and the bike starts easily with its electric starter. Recent maintenance includes new spark plugs, fresh engine oil, and a new air filter installed just a few months ago. Number 3. 1968 Triumph Trophy Sport, $7,700, Oklahoma City, Oklahoma. Next is a 1968 Triumph Trophy Sport showing 22,714 miles and finished in blue. This motorcycle is described as an original survivor and has reportedly remained with the same owner for decades. The previous owner, now 92 years old, kept the bike stored for the past several years before deciding to sell. A long list of recent service work has been completed to prepare the bike for the road again. This includes new Shinko tires, a cleaned fuel tank, carburetor overhaul, fresh fuel lines, new battery, ignition components, and various cables. The motorcycle still retains its original paint and includes the owner's handbook along with a workshop manual. Number 4. 1979 Yamaha XS650 Street Tracker, $3,400, Bulverde, Texas. Next up is a 1979 Yamaha XS650 that has been customized into a street tracker style build. The XS650 is one of Yamaha's most respected vintage motorcycles, powered by a durable parallel twin engine that has become very popular among custom builders and classic motorcycle enthusiasts. This example has reportedly been fully overhauled and features a clean street tracker appearance that gives it a unique personality on the road. According to the seller, the motorcycle runs strong and looks great, making it a fun vintage ride for cruising or weekend rides. The sale also includes a rear wheel stand and a motorcycle cover. Number 5. 1979 BMW R100T, $4,800, Collinsville, Oklahoma. Next of the list is a 1979 BMW R100T showing about 13,306 miles and finished in orange. The R100T was part of BMW's well-known Airhead lineup, powered by a 980cc Boxer twin engine that was designed for smooth touring and reliable long-distance riding. This particular example includes a BMW Cafe Racer-style shield and has been upgraded with dual spark plugs in each cylinder head, along with an improved ignition system. The bike has fresh tires and powder-coated original wheels. Although the odometer failed after being rebuilt, the seller notes that the bike starts easily and runs very well. Number 6. 1987 Kawasaki Ninja 750. $3,995, Denton, Texas. Next is a 1987 Kawasaki Ninja 750 showing about 23,000 miles and finished in black. The Ninja series helped define the sport bike era of the 1980s, and the 750 models were known for combining strong performance with sharp styling and reliable Japanese engineering. During this period, Kawasaki's Ninja lineup became one of the most recognizable sport bike families in the world. According to the seller, this motorcycle is a very clean example and appears to have never been dropped. It has recently been completely serviced and tuned to ensure it runs properly and performs as it should. With its classic 1980s sport bike styling and well-preserved condition, this Ninja could appeal to collectors as well as riders who appreciate vintage Japanese performance motorcycles. Number 7. 1960 Vespa VBB1, $2,300, Colorado City, Colorado. Next is a 1960 Vespa VBB1, one of the classic Italian scooters that helped make Vespa famous worldwide. Powered by a simple two-stroke engine and featuring a handlebar-mounted gear shift, these scooters became popular for their practicality, durability, and distinctive European styling during the post-war era. This particular example is described as an original scooter that runs well and has recently received a new gas tank. The seller mentions that the scooter is simply too heavy for them to handle comfortably. One important detail is that the scooter currently does not have a title, since previous owners never completed the paperwork. Number 8. 1973 Suzuki GT750, $1,800, Oklahoma City, Oklahoma. Next is a 1973 Suzuki GT750, one of the most famous two-stroke motorcycles ever produced by Suzuki. The GT750 was the first Japanese production motorcycle with a water-cooled engine, earning it nicknames like Water Buffalo, Kettle, and Water Bottle among enthusiasts. This particular bike is listed as a full restoration project. The engine is currently stuck and the motorcycle does not have a title, although the seller can provide a notarized bill of sale for documentation. Despite its current condition, GT750 models remain very collectible. Number 9. 1974 Penton 6 Days 125, $4,000, Mineral Wells, Texas. Next up is a rare 1974 Penton 6 Days 125, finished in green. Penton motorcycles were well known in the off-road world during the 1960s and 1970s, particularly in endurance racing and international enduro competitions like the International 6 Days Trial. According to the seller, this bike is a genuine barn find that belonged to a small engine mechanic who had collected motorcycles for many years. The motorcycle has been stored inside an insulated shop and is described as a running example. Classic Penton bikes like this are increasingly sought after by vintage off-road enthusiasts. Number 10. 1971 Triumph T100C, $2,600, Elgin, Texas. Next up is a 1971 Triumph T100C showing about 21,270 miles and finished in black. The T100C was a versatile 500cc parallel twin motorcycle that was capable of both street riding and light off-road use, making it a popular choice for riders who wanted a classic British dual-purpose machine. This particular bike includes several upgrades, such as a Penton Surefire electronic ignition and an AMAL Premier carburetor. The seller also mentions a few typical vintage motorcycle issues, including a small fuel leak near the tank mount, a broken speedometer drive, and forks that may need servicing. Even with these small imperfections, the seller notes that the bike rides great and remains a fun machine for both street and trail riding. Number 11. 1993 Yamaha Virago, $2,850, Norman, Oklahoma. Next is a 1993 Yamaha Virago, finished in black with about 25,000 miles on the odometer. The Virago series was one of Yamaha's most successful cruiser motorcycles, known for its comfortable riding position, dependable V-twin engine, and smooth everyday performance. These bikes became very popular throughout the 1980s and 1990s as reliable mid-size cruisers. According to the seller, the motorcycle recently received a full tune-up in February 2026. The carburetors were cleaned and synchronized, the valves were adjusted, and a new fuel filter was installed along with a clean air filter. With relatively recent tires and a clean Oklahoma title, the seller describes this Virago as a very clean 90s vintage bike that is ready to ride. Number 12. 1977 Harley-Davidson Sportster 1000, $3,500, Boston, Kentucky. Next up is a 1977 Harley-Davidson Sportster 1000, finished in blue. The Sportster lineup has been one of Harley-Davidson's longest-running models, known for its lighter weight compared to the big touring Harleys, while still delivering strong V-twin performance and classic American styling. This particular example features several modifications, including a hardtail frame conversion and an engine that has been bored 60 thousandths over. It also includes PB Plus cams, a Bendix carburetor, Blue Streak ignition points, and drag pipes for a more aggressive sound. The bike retains its 4-speed transmission and electric start. Number 13. 1975 Honda CB550, $4,250, Atlanta, Georgia. Next is a 1975 Honda CB550 showing about 12,700 miles and finished in green. The CB550 was part of Honda's famous inline-4 lineup that helped define the universal Japanese motorcycle era of the 1970s. These bikes became known for their smooth engines, dependable performance, and balanced handling. According to the seller, this motorcycle remains largely stock and original. Recent maintenance includes a new battery, rebuilt carburetors, new spark plugs, and a fresh oil and filter change. The bike also comes with its original toolkit and owner's manual, and it still features both electric start and kickstart. Number 14. 1972 Triumph Bonneville, $3,500, San Antonio, Texas. Next is a 1972 Triumph Bonneville project, finished in Burgundy. The Bonneville series became one of the most legendary British motorcycles ever produced, powered by a strong parallel twin engine and known for its classic styling and performance during the golden era of British motorcycling. This particular bike was running well before the seller began converting it into a bobber build using a hardtail frame. The engine has received fresh tiger heads, new valves, and a big bore kit with new pistons and rings. According to the seller, the engine itself remains solid and previously ran excellent. Number 15. 1981 Yamaha XS650 Special, $800, Wichita, Kansas. Rounding out the list is a 1981 Yamaha XS650 Special, priced at just $800. The XS650 was a lightweight twin-cylinder motorcycle that became popular for its nimble handling, affordable ownership costs, and simple mechanical design that made it a great entry-level classic bike. This example comes with a clean Kansas title and is described as being in good shape for its age. The seat and tires are in great condition, although there is a dent on the right side of the fuel tank. The seller originally planned to turn it into a cafe racer project, but became busy with other builds. Thanks for watching Moto Market Explorer. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more classic motorcycle finds every day.